I'm sure you've heard about phone filmmaking. I know everyone talks about shot on phone, shot on iPhone, and this and that. I'm also very sure that whenever someone talks about phone filmmaking, you're almost always thinking about iPhone filmmaking because that is the epitome of phone filmmaking. But I've also observed around me that a lot of people limit themselves ये बोलते हुए खुद को कि यार मेरे पास iPhone थोड़ी है, मैं कहाँ वो बनाऊंगा, and just giving yourself excuses. Well, today I'm doing something cool, which is cool in my eyes. I'm comparing footage from an iPhone 12, which of course is not the latest iPhone but is still good enough, with an Oppo A54. I don't know what their prices today are, but this is a 80,000 rupee phone and this is probably a 15,000 rupee phone. So I think the comparison is going to be great. And the real reason that I'm making this video is not to show how superior is the iPhone, but to show you how good even a 10-15,000 rupee phone can do. To be honest, मुझे खुद नहीं पता है कि ये कैसा perform करता है. Like, this is the first time that I will be using this camera. I just want to put my skills to use as well and just maximize the output from this phone. I will make a small video on the Oppo A54, and by the end of it I'll sit with you and we'll compare the footage and we'll see how good the Oppo has fared against the iPhone. I think it's going to be a fun comparison and it will be nice to see by the end of it कि ये कैसा लग रहा है. फ़ोन्स की थोड़ी टेस्टिंग चल रही है, बहुत ही साइंटिफिकली कर रहा हूँ मैं इन दोनों को टेस्ट. आई हैव बोथ दी फ़ोन्स टुगेदर, जो कि बस मेरे हाथों में पकड़े हुए हैं. बट मेरी कुछ ऑब्जर्वेशंस हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दिस ओप्पो इज़ नॉट गोइंग बियॉन्ड 1080p 30 fps एंड मैंने इसको भी 1080p पे रखा है. दूसरी बात ये है कि इसकी जो स्क्रीन है, ओप्पो की जो स्क्रीन है, उस पर द स्क्रीन रेजोल्यूशन इज़ नॉट वेरी गुड. तो ना पता नहीं लग रहा कि जो फुटेज मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ वो एक्चुअली अच्छी आ रही है या नहीं, बिकॉज आई एम श्योर it is not getting as bad of footage as the screen shows right now, and this might be one of the reasons why a lot of you get discouraged क्योंकि तुम्हें फ़ोन की अपनी स्क्रीन में ही फुटेज खास नहीं लग रही है. बट अभी लैपटॉप पे डालेंगे एंड वील हैव बोथ द फुटेजेस साइड बाय साइड और तब हमें रियल कंपैरिजन का पता लगेगा. बट until then I'll keep shooting and I'll keep showing you around. Quick update. So it's Diwali today and no one's letting me sit on the edit table for too long, which is legit of course. They want me to join the celebrations. So I'm gonna go join them, and this video I'm breaking down in two parts now. So this is part 1. Part 2 comes out tomorrow. For now, I'll show you the footage from the Oppo phone, which is edited and graded. But tomorrow I'll show you the footage from the iPhone as a comparison, and I'll also share with you my conclusions and what did I understand from this comparison and how much difference is there actually between these two phones. Alright guys, thanks a lot for sticking around and I'll see you tomorrow.